Do you ever feel like you're wasting hours doing simple tasks online? What if your browser could literally do the work for you? In this video, I'll show you 7 powerful AI Chrome extensions that can save you hours every single day. Let's get started. Number 1. Merlin AI. This is like having ChatGPT built directly into your browser. You can summarize websites, reply to emails, and even generate content without switching tabs. It's a huge time saver. Number 2. Compose AI. This tool literally writes sentences for you as you type. Emails, essays, messages, it auto-completes everything. You can finish writing in seconds instead of minutes. Number 3. Scribe. If you ever need to explain a process, this tool automatically creates step-by-step guides while you work. Perfect for students, teams, or tutorials. Number 4. Tactiq. If you attend online classes or meetings, this tool records and summarizes everything in real time. No more manual note-taking. Number 5. YouTube Summary with ChatGPT. Watching long YouTube videos? This extension gives you instant summaries of any video, so you get the value without wasting time. Number 6. Otter.ai. It can transcribe lectures, meetings, or audio in real time. And the best part, it organizes everything for you. And finally, number 7. Grammarly. It doesn't just fix grammar. It improves your tone, clarity, and overall writing instantly. Perfect for assignments, emails, and daily communication. So yeah, these AI Chrome extensions can literally save you hours every day. The question is, which one are you going to try first? If you found this helpful, like the video and subscribe to AI Tools 101. And comment below your favorite extension from this list. See you in the next video.